Hey everybody, I'm back. Just know I got done repairing them. Right now, I just got them up, but I'll do that soon. When my mom is like not working and all. The problem with him was that he had cut wire, so now he works normally. Except I guess they'll fix his mouth. The cool thing is every time I push his button, he just keeps on walking forward. In his MPI. He does not go backwards apparently, only when he moonwalks, I think. He goes. Well, it's been 065. Thank you for watching. Also, these videos are really helpful for you if you have a broken down Star Mickey. If you need help, if you need professional help repairing them, just let me know and I'll repair them for you. Thank you for watching and bye.